Welcome to Creative IT. We specialize in Acer laptop repair. We currently have an Acer laptop, which is an Acer Aspire 6953G, experiencing no display. Machine is turning on and shutting down, and the reason that could cause a problem is there is a dead short on the actual graphic card. And what needs to be done, we need to remove the PCI graphic card out of the machine and test to see if there's any shorts on the board, and take it to the next stage to see if there's any other problems that can cause the shutting down and no display. So if you have any Acer laptops that have no display but turning on, we are able to run diagnostics and do repairs on the actual motherboard or graphic card. Currently there is an engineer now that is actually doing several tests, and they're having discussions to see what needs to be done. For more information, give us a call on 0207 237 6805. Thank you for getting in contact with Creative IT.